Hi, hello bachcho. Welcome back to my channel Maths Lageraho. In the last class we have solved question number 22 and 23. Now let us see the next question what he has asked. Find dy by dx if x is equal to 8t square, y is equal to 2at. So now how to solve? See, here also two functions are there. In the last class we have discussed. If two functions are there, one more is there. Function means this is a parameter t. T is called as what? Parameter. These functions are called only what? Parametric functions. Here parameter is t. We have to take the derivative with respect to that only. Parameter t square, you can write x is equal to a t square. Y is what? 2at. So how to write? You see, differentiate with respect to t, dear students. So now x is different, t is different, no variables. So it will join with what? Differential operator dx by dt, dear students. Correct? So a is a constant we will write. This is looking like how? X square. X square derivative is what? 2x. Here t square derivative is what? 2t. 2t. Clear? So with respect to t, that's why it will not join with anything. Got it? 2t into a 2at. 2at. Clear? So differentiate. Now second one also will differentiate. Differentiate with respect to t. Clear? Differentiate with respect to t. So dy by dt, operators are different or not? Here y it is t, that's why dy by dt. So now 2a is a constant and derivative of t is what? Derivative of x is 1, no? So similarly derivative of t is what? 1, because it is with respect to what? T. That's why it will become 1, dear students. 2a into 1 is 2a. We got. So now I have to find what? Dy by dx. Dy by dx how will find, you know? Dy by dt whole divided by dx by dt, dear students. Dy by dt is how much? Don't substitute this value. This value is dx by dt. Dy by dt is here. That is what? 2a. So dx by dt is how much? 2at. 2a get cancelled. How much you will get? 1 by t, dear students. I hope you understood. So we'll continue with the next class. Next question. So please copy this one. Let us continue with next question, dear students. If root x plus root y is equal to root a, prove that dy by dx is equal to what? Minus square root y by x. Minus square root y by x. Very simple question, dear students. How easily you can solve? First you write the given, that is root x plus root y is equal to root a. Clear? So now you can differentiate this one. Differentiate with respect to x. Root x derivative, you know, root x derivative is what, dear students? 1 by 2 root x. It is with respect to x, no joining is there. So root y is looking like root x. You also know, I also know, this is not x, that is a y, but it is looking like root x, no? So root x derivative is what? 1 by 2 root x, in place of x what it is? Y, but this was not x. I have to take the derivative of that or not? Because operator, you see, this variable is different, this variable is different. So that's why it will join with what? Differential operator dy by dx. Y derivative is what? Dy by dx only. So root a is derivative is what? That is 0, dear students. Clear? So plus, it's a constant. Root a is a constant. Root is also constant. A is also constant. So that's why it will become what? 0, dear students. So plus 1 by 2 root x you take on RHS. What you will get? You will get it as what? Plus will become what? Minus, no? If you take on RHS. Minus 1 by root x. 2 get cancelled. Clear? Root y cross multiply here. Dy by dx here, very carefully. Root y into minus 1 minus root y whole divided by root x. Root belongs to y also and x also. Then what you can write? Minus root y by x you can write. Root belongs to both means I can combine together, I can write root y by x. Minus, if you take this side, it will become what? Plus root y by x is equal to 0. hence proved. You can see here, it is there or not. So dy by dx is equal to root minus root y by x. If you take this side, it will become plus. You can keep this much also, you can keep this much also. Fine, he has asked this much, you can write this much also. If you want minus sign, don't want means you can take this side. Hence proved. I hope you understood. So if you are liking the video, please like the video. I mean press the thumb button. So we'll continue in my next class. तब तक लगे रहो मैथ्स के साथ. Thank you.